Hello and welcome to another update video about GALA. GALA, a lot of fear currently in the market. Yeah, a lot of fear. The downtrend has not ended yet, at least. If it has, we have no evidence. Important still to make the observation that the price has hit a very important support level for the last couple of days. It's now been hovering just above this support area that we've been talking about for many weeks. It has not yet, at least not, or has it? Yeah, it has made a new bear market low, actually. Yep, it has done that. I didn't see that. But the idea was for price to get into this region. So what that means basically, that this white wave count, yeah, which indicated a potential 1-2 setup, which is not the primary scenario anyway, has to be taken out. So basically, that doesn't change the detailed wave count at all, but it just changes the potential to rally in the third wave. Oops, didn't want to do that. Why? So I explain that to you in a minute. Let me just take those out. That doesn't mean that any of the subwaves have to be changed, because this is completely unchanged. And I explain to you why. By the way, this was anyway only the alternative wave count. The idea was that there could have been an impulse, or it probably was an impulse, into the January highs. So we've been tracking this 1-2 setup, which was there in white, and the potential for, okay, the bear market low might have completed here, was certainly there. But when price broke below the 78.6 FIB level, we said it can't really, well, it shouldn't really be that bullish scenario anymore. Any rally will likely take place in a C wave. If you've been watching the videos for the last few weeks, then you will know that I primarily focused here on this blue wave count A, B, C. This could be still a B wave to the downside in an ABC structure, because B waves can overshoot to the downside. And the question is just, how low does this B wave go? This is certainly not bullish. It just means that if there is a rally, it would likely be a C wave, yeah, an extension of this fourth wave in A, B, C in a flat structure, which would then still lead to another low, and then we have 5 waves down. And that would be, not so good. Certainly not a bullish chart with that latest low here any longer. Already warned about it a few weeks ago. But either way, you know, there still is no sign that a low is in anyway. So if there is a C wave at some point, we need a setup first. Anything on the lower time frame that would suggest that. The problem is with B waves, if we really are in this blue B wave, which started here at the January high, then this is a very difficult wave, because remember that B waves are the corrective waves within corrections, whereas an A wave can be an impulse, a C wave can be an impulse, a B wave is always a correction. So they are the most difficult waves to forecast. But the chart made it quite easy for us, because I've been outlining for a while that this is a descending price channel in which GALA is moving. And until we see a breakout of this channel to the upside, there isn't really, you can't really make a case that this correction is over anyway and that this downtrend is over. So naturally, we remain focused on the downside as long as this price channel is active. And as long as that's the case, yeah, the prospects for GALA are not very positive. Okay, so the downtrend hasn't finished, still heading further to the downside, but we have identified a whole array of next targets to the downside. The one that we've been talking about in the last few weeks, or the range, was between 1.52 and 1.55 cents. Most recently, GALA rallied into one of our resistance areas, into our trend reversal or short trade areas, depending on, you know, if you want to use them for short trading or not is essentially up to you. But this is resistance, obviously, where if this resistance level, had this resistance level been broken, it would have forced us to re-evaluate the chart. But seems like the wave count was working, and we are now heading down in this 5th wave. Now, it is very much possible that the 3rd wave is extending or something, but at the moment the focus is on lower as long as resistance holds. And the latest resistance level I added to the chart is here 1.78 cents. So it means the price should head down lower against this resistance level, and this will be the focus until we see an impulse in 5 waves above resistance. Yeah, so but you can see that this support area was very relevant. Yeah, these identified targets, the price is consolidating above them. At the moment, I would say it still seems like it wants to go down lower. Nobody knows where this is going to end. I can only, we're focusing on what we see right now, right? We have to live in the present, we have to trade in the present and analyze the chart in the present. I mean, I know there is the court case going on, or you could say the disputes, they sued each other, that the senior managers or the co-founders, they sued each other. There's a lot of stuff going on, which is very unprofessional. But you never know what's happening, right? Well, maybe they come to an agreement, or you never know. I mean, therefore, yes, this was the catalyst for something that was already written in the charts. We were waiting for this move down, and now we see that probably this downtrend isn't over yet, and there are several target levels here. Basically, with GALA, we have to drive on site. So we have to take it level by level. This was the next milestone to reach. Now, if the 1.52 cent level breaks, it should move down quite quickly to 1.35 cents. That's the next target, the next level to watch. And then we've got 1.29 and 1.18 cents. That's my update about GALA. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, check out our Twitter and Instagram channels. You can find the links in the video description. And if you're interested in the membership, as a member, you get access to a weekly live stream every Sunday. So we can cover some requests there. There's always an educational topic. You get access to our Telegram and Discord live chat rooms. There is additional learning material about Elliott Wave, lots of cheat sheets, and a lot more. Also, as a gold member, you get additional market updates. And yeah, there's just a lot to enjoy and learn. So maybe we'll see you there. Hopefully you like the update. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.